Breaking news: South Sudan sued in London over oil deal. In London, an international energy company called BB Energy has taken legal action against the government of South Sudan. The company says the government failed to deliver the oil that was promised under a prepayment oil agreement. A spokesperson from BB Energy told Reuters that the company has already started legal proceedings in the UK court, but they also say they are ready to solve the issue peacefully because they want to keep good business with South Sudan. This lawsuit comes at a time when South Sudan is already facing a serious economic crisis. The country now owes about 3.7 billion US dollar in total debt. Out of that, 550 million US dollar is owed to oil companies. The International Monetary Fund says that South Sudan oil production has dropped badly. Before the war, the country produced around 400,000 barrels per day. However, production is down to just 72,000 barrels per day. A broken oil pipeline was fixed in June 2025, but oil output still remains very low. This is not the first time South Sudan has been taken to court over oil agreement. In May 2025, another oil company called Vitol also sued the government, but that case was settled quietly outside court. While court cases continue outside the country, inside South Sudan, military tensions are growing again. General Taban Nyang, a rebel commander, has rejected President Salva Kiir's new disarmament plan. General Bai said that disarming people without peace will only bring more chaos. He accused the government of targeting the Bull Nuer community, saying such move could lead to fresh violence. Disarmament without peace will not work. It already failed in People and it will fail again, said General Bai. He called on the government to stop the plan and focus on national reconciliation instead. Over the weekend, western Equatorial states saw heavy fighting in the area of Tumbura and Sakapuro and Zangia. At least 17 people were killed, including 3 civilians, 2 government soldiers, 12 army fighters. Government forces clashed with an army group. 4 suspects have been arrested and weapons were recovered, including rifles and rocket-propelled grenades. After the fighting, a new humanitarian crisis has started. Lucid word from the Relief and Rehabilitation Commission said food is running out. Over 2,000 people are now living in 11 displacement camps, especially in Mopo Payam. The Bal Youth Council has accused local officials of staying silent about killing. They are demanding the removal of South Sudan People Defense Force Commander James Nando. They want it. If this doesn't stop, we will protect ourselves. Meanwhile, civil society leader Edmund Yakane said the violence is both political and ethnic. He urged President Kiir to act quickly before things get worse. The country is now facing pressure from both international court and local communities, from oil dispute in London to violence in Western Equatoria. South Sudan peace and future are at a turning point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyak.